Just in case you are installing a Bestop Sunrider on a Gladiator or JL in mid 2023, they made a slight change. If you're watching some internet videos, you might be confused. You see people talking about a pin attaching your cable. Bestop changed it to these little screws right here. They provide you some Loctite. Just in case you are installing a Bestop Sunrider on a Gladiator or JL in mid 2023, they made a slight change. If you're watching some internet videos, you might be confused. You see people talking about a pin attaching your cable. Bestop changed it to these little screws right here. They provide you some Loctite and they want you to do this. That's what happens. So all you got to do is take this little cable, run it outside of the hole there, put the little screw through the outside, put the barrel with the thread on the inside, and make sure you throw some Loctite in there, and that's going to secure your cable to your door surrounds. Clearly that's something they don't want to come out, so they've included some red Loctite. So as you can see, we applied just a tiny bit in the barrel and a drop there, probably way more than enough, but now we're going to go ahead and attach this guy here. If you turn the rail on its side, you can see there's a nice little pocket, and it appears like, that guy fits in there, and that's your threaded side of the barrel. It's a little cumbersome, but yeah, you kind of hold this guy in place, and then you can get our little screw in there. And that's what it looks like with the screw in there. Not gonna lie, it would be way easier with two people. It was a little difficult just to hold because it was so little. So we're just gonna tighten that guy down. I see now it looks like that guy rotates with the top when it moves up and down, so that's maybe the purpose, because this pin stays locked into the threaded barrel, and then this guy kind of rotates forward and back when you use the top. So maybe that was the reason for the change. A little tough, but like I said, just letting anyone know that orders this in case they're confused and watching old videos. I happen to have one of the old ones here. As you can see, they used to include these little pins. I think it was maybe tricky, or they just found a better way to secure it. But just so in case you're confused when you're watching other videos and they're like, I won't go through the whole video, but you're just like, what the hell is that?